For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Kerala government has imposed triple lockdown over the last 3 weeks. Strict lockdown restrictions are back in some regions in the state in the wake of rising infections. Meanwhile, Kerala has reached a grim milestone of more than 20,000 COVID-19 cases. Kerala reported its highest single-day spike of 1,167 COVID-19 cases, taking the infection tally to 20,894. Kerala has so far reported 20,894 positive cases of COVID-19. Of the total tally, active cases in the state stand at 10,093. The number of recoveries in Kerala stand at 10,728 and 67 have succumbed to COVID-19 in the state. Of the 1,167 fresh COVID-19 cases, 888 cases are believed to be locally transmitted. Kerala's capital city, Thiruvananthapuram, reported 222 fresh infections, taking the total number of active cases in the district to 2,936. Kerala Chief Minister Pinarayi Vijayan underlined the seriousness of the COVID-19 situation in the state. He said 1 in every 36 persons in the state is testing positive for the virus.
In Thiruvananthapuram, when you test 18 persons, 1 comes back positive. In Kerala, it is 1 in 36. In India, it is 1 in 12.
The high case load in Thiruvananthapuram is attributed to community transmission. 2 weeks ago, Kerala Health Minister K.K. Shailaja confirmed the presence of community transmission in the state. Kerala is the first state in the country to confirm the presence of community transmission. The presence of community transmission was particularly observed in coastal areas. The Kerala government has come out with the COVID-19 coastal plan for the coastal zones of Thiruvananthapuram. According to the COVID-19 containment plan in the coastal areas, the plan is aimed at cluster containment and intended to break the cycle of transmission and decrease the morbidity and mortality due to COVID-19. The state government has stepped up rigorous efforts to contain the spread of the virus. The Kerala government has implemented a cluster care method to mitigate the spread of the virus. The cluster care method involves identifying high risk and red zones. Testing, treatment, and quarantining will be strengthened inside the clusters in order to stop the spread of the virus. The strategy is to break the chain of transmission from one cluster to another by thoroughly locking the clusters. Rigorous testing is an important part of Kerala's containment strategy. Health officials will conduct rapid antigen testing in containment and high-risk zones with high positivity rate. Health officials are on the lookout for asymptomatic cases which have been mostly reported in the capital city of Thiruvananthapuram. Health officials are looking to ramp up testing in the capital district to prevent missing out on asymptomatic cases. Even as Kerala has seen a rise in infections, the COVID-19 situation in the state is better off than other southern states.